Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to do a simple AUTOGELE fan with register. So we take measurements of our base, then of the base extension, then this is the fan base. We carefully take our time to cut and then align the midpoints, and then with your sewing machine join them together. Then this is the fan base. Then this is also the fan handle. Now when you fold it twice, you're going to leave out some inches at the end. And then this is the base handle that will hold the base. Then this is that base we first took measurement of. We're going to fold it into 4 places and then sew it. Now you can see the aftermath, how we've carefully sewn it. Carefully you sew it so that you can, and then this is also the handle that will hold it firmly on your head when you wear. Next is the base handle. Yes, this is the fan handle, that's the fan base. The fan base that will be placed above the former base we just made use of. This is now the aftermath. After we've carefully folded the gele fan base, we're going to carefully place it on the dummy in preparation for adding our fan. Then you carefully hold it, join it to this extension so that it will not be dancing around and to be firm. Now this is for the fan. We'll carefully use a needle and thread and make our fan, but do well not to do all on the ground. Halfway you're going to start placing it on the dummy so as to be able to achieve a round and complete fan. You can see that halfway I've stopped and then started attaching it to my fan base so that it can enable me to achieve a full fan that will cover the full length of the material. And you can see that it's kind of giving me a stress because it's actually a register, but with other materials like your ashoke or mikado material, it will not really be so difficult to do. So with my needle and thread, I'm going to join this fan handle with needle and thread. Well, this is for personal use. That is why I was not making use of a sewing machine. But especially when you're going to make use of, especially when you're selling them, you can do well to make use of a sewing machine so that you can achieve a neat work. So after I'm done sewing the inside, I'm going to fold it out as to cover that rough sharp edge. With my needle and thread, I'm going to also sew it and then make so as to make it very firm. Do well to use the sewing machine to achieve more strength and neatness. Well, this is a register. You can see the fan is not too forming, but with other materials you can be able to do a very neat and nice job. So do well to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.